In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email template in Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Klaviyo dashboard. On the left sidebar menu, you'll see several options. You want to click on Content, and from there, select Templates. This is where all the magic begins, and you'll find all your existing templates as well. Now that you're in the Templates section, it's time to start your design. Look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says Create Template. If you're the creative type and want to start from scratch, go ahead and click that. Alternatively, if you're short on time or just looking for a quick start, consider choosing one of the pre-built templates available. These templates have a solid layout foundation that can save you time and still give you a fantastic look. Once you've chosen your path, you'll be taken to the drag-and-drop editor. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. The editor has a sidebar filled with structural blocks. You can utilize blocks like text, images, buttons, and social links to build out your layout. Just click and drag whichever block you need into your workspace. It's super intuitive, so you'll find it easy to position them exactly where you want. Now let's talk about branding. This is a crucial part of your template creation. You want your email to reflect your company's brand identity. Take a moment to customize the visual appearance. Adjust the colors, choose fonts that match your brand's style guide, and tweak any other visual details you think are necessary. Having a cohesive look helps strengthen your brand, so don't skimp on this step. Before you wrap everything up, it's essential to preview and test your design. Look for the button that says Preview and Test. Clicking this will allow you to see how your email looks before it goes live. One helpful tip here is to toggle between the desktop and mobile views. This is a great way to ensure that your content looks clean and responsive on all different devices. You wouldn't want your audience to see a design that doesn't display well, especially on mobile, which has become a primary way people check their emails. Once you've gone through everything and you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save and exit. Look for the Save and Exit button and click it to store your beautiful new email template in your library. And there you have it. You've successfully built an email template in Klaviyo. It might seem daunting at first, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll find that it's a powerful tool to engage your audience. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you did. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!